Jesus.
On the 12th of August, 2015, a massive fireball erupted on the Moscow River after an underwater oil pipeline ruptured near an oil refinery. Thick black smoke billowed into the air, visible from nearly a mile away in Red Square. Firefighters worked for over an hour to control the blaze, which caused significant air pollution in southeast Moscow.
Ничего себе.
Она заправкой оторвала, види уже.
Сколько? 5 часов, да?
Recovery and rehabilitation processes in the equine sector have been evolving through models such as hydrotherapy. According to experts, it is clinically proven that this is the best treatment without drugs for the healing and consolidation of muscles, ligaments, tendons, and bones in horses. In 2023, parts of Times Square had to be cordoned off by New York City Police Department while a beekeeper removed tens of thousands of bees from the popular tourist hub. Fortunately, no one was stung or hurt during the incident. This is the explosive moment. A police officer's car filled with 1.5 million pounds worth of cocaine blew up at a petrol station in Argentina. The car, driven by Sergeant Sofia Esther Chaparro, was stuffed with 20 kilos of the drug, and she was with her 3 children at the time of the blast. One of the most memorable moments of the quake was captured at a tackle store in Istanbul, where the business owner, instead of rushing outside, prioritized protecting the products from falling off the shelves, putting the safety of his stock before his own. A massive sinkhole has appeared in Mexico's Santa Maria Zacatepec town and is threatening to engulf the only house near the area, which is now standing at the edge of the yawning crater. It had begun at 5 yards wide, and then it is around 75 yards, and it's only growing by the day. After suffering damage in recent months, the Arecibo Observatory radio telescope in Puerto Rico collapsed. Cables that suspended a platform of scientific instruments above the dish snapped, causing the platform to fall into the dish.
Joseph, pagalo Joseph. Aqui é breve, brisa, Pray on a pray. Brisa não, brisa não, valeu.
Okay, the fire extinguisher right there. Anna, get the fire extinguisher. Please get it.
A local resident of Janesville, California, returned from a trip to Reno, Nevada on 2021 to find her home blanketed in smoke from the Dixie Fire. Dramatic video from the Miaoli County government shows cars attempting to pass a stretch of road in Taiwan when rocks and vehicle-sized boulders began to tumble down onto the street. One person was injured in the terrifying incident. For the first time ever, a surface rupture is caught on camera as the ground splits along a fault line. Watch as the rupture moves visibly along the road next to a house during the 7.7 Myanmar earthquake.